212, the coordinator of the Backstroke Girls 11 over Kite. Swimming in lane 1, Herbilia Ayala Abbas from ULC Warriors Club. Lane 2, Suerte Ruth Alteya from ULC Junior Warriors. Lane 3, Alayakyak Amanda Jolie from Aklan Swimming Team. Lane 4, Magno Chelsea Yuri from John Lawson Foundation Maritime University Golden Swimming Team. Lane 5, Sabrina San Eileen from John Lawson Foundation Maritime University Golden Swimming Team. Lane 6, Denion Janelle Adelaide from Aklan Swimming Team. Lane 7, Kiton Alexa Amber from Ibe Tiger Shark Swim Team. And lane 8, Galindo Princess Maria from Benaran Tadpole Swim Club. Call for events 213 and 214. Please proceed to the ready bench now.